Is it free? I mean, really free? Are you for real, bro? You need to head over to office.com and click the link to get the free version. We need a Microsoft account to sign in, and there's a few options here. We can simply type a unique name in here or use our mobile phone number. If we prefer, we can create an office.com or hotmail.com address. Once we've created our account, we can have a quick look around the office.com webpage. We get 5 gigabytes worth of cloud storage. This is allocated to our OneDrive app. And if you want to learn more about OneDrive, I'll leave a link at the end of this video. Notice that we also get Outlook and Teams. Now, because we're using the free version, we can only use Office apps through our browser. Let's create a Word document. It automatically saves to our OneDrive. To close down the Office app, we just need to close the tab in our browser. And if we check our OneDrive, we see the document there. If you're interested in the desktop version and you want it for free, you'll need to sign into office.com with your work or school account. This is assuming, of course, that they've got a Microsoft 365 subscription. With your work account, you can still use Office on the web from the same icons over here. And we can download and install the desktop version from this button here. I'll be seeing you at the next video. Boom.